What are you talking about?
A lot to say.
No. My phone's out.
Wow. I think you should be our next president, to be honest.
Oh yeah. I trust him more than anyone.
Oh, yeah. A born leader.
Juicy fruit. Really? I agree with that. I think we should have that law.
Agree. I think everyone would be happy with that law.
More biscuits for everyone.
Yeah.
I agree.
Free biscuits for the world.
Free biscuits. What about people who are gluten intolerant? Do you have an option for that?
Do you have anything to say?
Are gluten-free biscuits too? Hmm?
No comments at this time.
No comment? No gluten-free biscuits? Yeah. What about vegan biscuits? They're gonna be a vegan option, right? You know, milk's bad for kitties anyway.
That's true.
Are you just gonna give everyone diarrhea? Is that your plan? Is that your plan after all along? Oh my gosh.
Wow, the corruption of the government.
The corruption of the government, just give everyone diarrhea.
Hi. Oh,
Really?
making a
No, you backtracking right now. No, I have this all on film. I have it. You can't backtrack.
protesting.
Protest. I don't know. I mean, I still trust his leadership more than anyone
Yeah,
we've
facts.
ever had, but
Facts.
I'm still not really pleased.
Hi.
Really. Oh.
So cute. Yeah.
Okay, I'll forgive you about the biscuit comment. You're just too cute.
So cute. Many things to say in such little time.
Yeah. What are you
Are you
doing?
done with your speech? Alright, no more comments.
No
No more
comments.
comments for the press.
What are you doing?